So what we're going to be starting is we're going to be looking over expressions, equations, and inequalities. And today we're going to start to learn how to write them. So I'm going to first define what an expression, equation, and inequality is, and then we're going to practice writing them. So here we are going to go ahead and write that an expression is a sentence with numbers and or variables and at least one math operation. So basically, if you look at the examples, these are the examples, n times 4, so there's a variable and a number, and then there's an operation. 6 minus k, there's a number and a letter, or a variable and an operation, and here we have two operations, so we have two numbers, a letter, and we have multiplication. Remember, this means multiply and addition. So make sure that you recognize what an expression is.